In Beginner's English Lesson 2, you will learn the use of some nouns. You will learn positive and negative sentences. You will also learn how to use pronouns. Look at each sentence. Practice them many times if you're a beginner. If you are a mid-level or advanced level learner, please check each sentence and improve your grammar and vocabulary. I want a pen. I want a pen. I do not want a pencil. I do not want a pencil. I want a pencil. I want a pencil. I don't want a pen. See how don't is the short form of do not. I don't want a pen. I want both a pen and a pencil. I want both a pen and a pencil. I don't want a pen or a pencil. Both and, here only or. I don't want a pen or a pencil. Now learn the plural. I want pens and pencils. I want pens and pencils. You want paper. Now see here, no article a. You want paper. You want paper. You do not want a book. See article, a book. You do not want a book. You want a book. You want a book. You don't want paper. You don't want paper. You want both a book and paper. You want both a book and paper. You don't want a book or paper. You don't want a book or paper. You want books and paper. See paper without S. You want books and paper. Paper, uncountable noun. We want ice cream. We want ice cream. We do not want coffee. We do not want coffee. We want coffee. We want coffee. We don't want ice cream. We don't want ice cream. We want both ice cream and coffee. We want both ice cream and coffee. We don't want ice cream or coffee. We don't want ice cream or coffee. Notice that the plural doesn't have ice creams and coffees. Keep it in mind. We want ice cream and coffee. We want ice cream and coffee. He wants a shirt. He wants a shirt. He does not want a tie. He does not want a tie. He wants a tie. He wants a tie. He doesn't want a shirt. He doesn't want a shirt. He wants both a shirt and a tie. He wants both a shirt and a tie. He doesn't want a shirt or a tie. He doesn't want a shirt or a tie. He wants shirts and ties. Shirts plural, ties plural. He wants shirts and ties. She wants a watch. She wants a watch. She does not want a mobile. She does not want a mobile. She wants a mobile. She wants a mobile. She doesn't want a watch. She doesn't want a watch. She wants both a watch and a mobile. She wants both a watch and a mobile. She doesn't want a watch or a mobile. She doesn't want a watch or a mobile. She wants mobiles and watches. She wants mobiles and watches. They want an apple. They want an apple. And in front of vowel sound pronunciations, not a but an. They do not want an orange. They do not want an orange. They want an orange. They want an orange. They don't want an apple. They don't want an apple. They want both an apple and an orange. They want both an apple and an orange. They don't want an apple or an orange. They don't want an apple or an orange. They want apples and oranges. They want apples and oranges. With that, we come to the end of lesson 2. Here you have learnt the use of article a and an. You have seen singular and plural forms of nouns, some nouns which do not have the plural form. You have also learnt all the personal pronouns in English. Practice many times if you're a beginner. Check each sentence if you are an intermediate or advanced learner. Thank you and all the best.